Hello. I have a temu haul, a mixed temu haul, and Goodwill haul we went today. I don't know how I ordered so many of these. These are spines for my, I can use these for other critters too, I guess. I think I got it a big deal on them. So if you need a spine, you run into these spineless wonders. I have some spine. These are nice and sturdy though, you know. Yeah, they're nice. But I have a bunch. I don't know. I'm not sure what happened. Over there. Oh, Victor's here. Victor's here. And Mr. Retros is here.
Hey.
And here we go. I got this card for someone for their birthday. It says, "Have a jawsome birthday." The shark. Funny, huh?
Yeah.
And then I got one of these phone holders because mine keeps dropping my phone all over. It's really annoying. So I got one of these cheapy phone holder dealies. That's pretty good. That's alright, so I'll try that. It seems fairly, they get kind of loose. And this is fake fur or Furbies. So I have other sheds. This is a nice pink. Like that, Victor? I could make a nice toy for you. Look at a lavender. Yeah, I got some kind of a fire deal on some of this stuff, so they give it to me cheaper. So I just leave it in your cart, and then they'll give it to you cheaper, and you just grab it there. And yellow. So I can make an old yellow. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's definitely yellow. And this pretty aqua. I think this is the same aqua I used on my big guy over there. I call him Uncle Frankie. Oh yeah, this is the same. This is pretty good. This is a nice shade. So those are pretty good. And this is a bracelet. This is a scent bracelet. Now, not sure how you're supposed to do this. Maybe you just spray it on. There's something in there that will absorb scent, your perfume. So you spray it on these holes, I guess. And then you just... let's see. It's hard to do with one hand. And then you just snap it on. So you smell nice. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah, it's got this little latchy deal here. Maybe I can just slip it on. Anyway, I'm not going to take the time to fiddle around with it, but that's what that is. They have other kinds of that, but I kind of like this simple looking one. And then I got a phone case. I want to open. Somebody's in the bedroom barking. It's with a Labubu on it. Done. And what's this? Oh, what was that thing called? A smartwatch or whatever that thing is. It's okay. I mean, it's crummy, but I wear it to keep these things. I wear it to keep the leash on my wrist so I don't let go of Victor. And this is a replacement band because the metal band it came with is so cheap, the thing kept falling off. It wouldn't hold. So I got this like kind of rubbery band. But these are kind of nice now. They have a little button there. Let me see. To make it easier to put it on your watch, you can pull these little thingies in to install it easier. So that's kind of an improvement, I guess. I've got a bag of bags here already. Then I got some just some brown tags to put on things. I'm gonna label things. And I've got a tote bag to tote my stuff around. Oops. It's got these, look at them. These are those little pop, they're supposed to look like Powerpuff Girls, but they kind of look like my little crying baby, cry baby. Ooh, they're so cute. Look at that red-haired one. Ugh, this is really cute. It's on both sides. Ooh, this is a nice one. Kind of wrinkly. So I thought that was very nice. And then I got this little, it's a little lamp of toast. And it charges up. We just charge it up. And then, let's see, it lights up. Huh. It's really cute. It's got a little, I don't know where I'm going to put it, but it was really cute. And this was one of those fire deals where you put it in your cart, then they let you have it for like $2. So I was like, okay, he's cute. Yeah, he's really cute. And it just charges up for toast. I think that's it. That's what I got from the temu. And then we hit the Goodwill. Wasn't too bad. It's 30% off of blue tags, but I don't think I got a single blue tag. Of course not. This is we have glass shelves in the, I have it in the bar area and in both bathrooms. I just, like a clear glass shelf, and this is just the holders that go on the wall, just in case I need another one.
I never know.
Yeah.
Or it doesn't have to be glass.
It could be anything, yeah.
Whatever will fit in there.
Yeah, so this was only $99, so that's a good deal.
Yeah.
Because these are they're nice. And then they're very low profile. You barely see any support, which is like magic. And this is for, he just wanted this cover.
Because we have the record.
We have this record, Hey Mickey by Tony Basil. Hey Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey Mickey! It's in the jukebox in the studio.
But I couldn't find a single record.
What's in
so
here?
I got that.
What is this? It's from South Pacific.
Yeah, it's got all your
Younger
favorites.
than springtime.
Yeah.
And I go wash that man right out of my hair. And that's with Mary Martin singing it. What's on the other side? Wonderful guy. Oh, and then some enchanted evening.
Right.
That's Enzio Pizza.
Well, I could not find a record. They're all so bad. And then I saw the cover and I go, I want that cover.
The cover's neat.
But I want a record if I'm going to buy it.
Well, it's not as horrible as some.
Right.
I mean, it's okay. So that's cool. And then I found this is some fancy hair conditioner. It's like new, and so I got this for $3.99. So that's cool. Now I'm going to shower. It's made in USA. All paraffin, sulfate free, whatnot things. And then I got this. This is still kind of. I just washed these. I got. Would you mind, sir? I got this set of Pottery Barn. No, this one doesn't have the tag. Anyway, Pottery Barn towels. You can tell Pottery Barn because this is very thick and wide, and these towels are excellent. So I got 2 hand towels and 2 bath towels. This has to go back in the dryer. And they're just in this kind of a creamy beige color. So I got the whole set for like $10, which is awesome because the bath towels are $30 at PB. And those are the best towels there are. I've tried Crate and Barrel towels. Nah. They're nothing special. Really nothing special. They're about like Macy's or Penny's or something. So these are the bestest. Get out of that area down there, sir. You got no business there. And then I found this little pot is a Crate and Barrel little vase, but it's nice. It looks kind of handmade. It sort of has this fabric type finish to it, and it's in this sort of a celadon green. What are you doing over there? For $6. So that's pretty. I put this on. I'll probably put this on the shelf in the studio. So I have some pottery there. And then I don't know what you think you're doing down there. This is a bunch of, they look like decent tea lights, nice thick ones. Then there's some mini teeny weeny ones here. It's $3.99 for the whole bag, so that's okay. You see, no blue tags on my watch. And then we got these. They're cool. This one's really tall. Really tall, see? I don't know where I'm going to put them, but they're cool.
Yeah, I like them.
And I don't know where they're from. They're metal, and they kind of go along with this thing. These were from Crate and Barrel. Yeah, these are from Crate and Barrel. And so these are kind of along the same line. I don't know. They might look good with my Empoli glass. I'm not sure. So this one was $3.99.
Yeah, we had to pay up.
I paid up. Yeah, $4.99 on this baby. And then, can you grab me those little poop emojis from the kitchen? I'm gonna look over here. This is
What?
those little emojis. This thing. I'll try to explain this. This is just a box. It's a wine box. So these, I want these lit. These are screwed up. So I want them lit on like this. And what we're gonna do is put holes in here so that I can have my C7 light bulbs. I think I got the LED ones so they don't get hot. Have them come up and then make a hole in the bottom of these and just set them on there. So these will be lit nicely, and I can use it all year round because I like these little poop emojis. And I think that'll be snazzy. Then I don't have to make a whole box. So we're gonna. This is a experiment. And then, oops. See, I tried putting little rice lights in. No good. Nah, didn't work. Didn't work. I like rice lights, but not for this. And then this is the. Hey man, he loves you. I made this from Mr. Retros. This is a non-verbal Furby.
Yeah, right.
You're calling him. And he's got, I put beans, literal peas in the bottom. There's split peas in the bottom. So he's weighted. Put him down here. Hey, see? So he's weighted.
He's mine.
Yeah, he's mine. And I printed the face and I just made the, Furby body, and he's all stuffed and he's got his feet and all. So he doesn't have anything to say right now.
Yeah,
Maybe later. But that's what I got. You got anything, Mr. Retros?
No.
Got anything, Victor? No. So I will see you later. Goodbye.
Do bow near the doop doop. Bow near the doop doop. Bow near the doop doop. Ba da 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 ba da 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 da.